Hello, welcome to Cryptisco. Today we are going to talk about 60-second circuit tips. 1. We have always use a resistor with an LED. 2. Red wire equals to power, black wire equals to ground. 3. Check polarity before connecting. 4. Test components before soldering. 5. Power off while building. 6. Keep wires short and tidy. 7. Use labels or tape for complex builds. 8. Use a multimeter early or often. 9. Use a battery clip, not bare wires. 10. Know your power needs. Thank you for your time. See you next time.